Hey guys, those of you who watch the channel probably know by now that I am a software engineer and that I did study computer science back in school, so I do a lot of programming. I was actually coding quite a bit before I actually got into a computer science program and started taking formal classes. So today I'm kind of going to take a look back at some of the earlier code that I have recorded. I'm not really exactly sure how early it goes back in terms of what I actually have backed up somewhere. But I'm going to try to look through my Bitbucket and my GitHub and just look at the old code that's there that, may have been from projects that I had like completed or had sort of completed. But either way, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to find, but I'll just like pick a few of the projects and go over them on camera. Maybe it'll be entertaining, maybe it won't. Yeah, let's take a look. I realized that a lot of them are very incomplete. It seems like I was very good about starting projects, but never finishing them. Maybe if Zach Friedman had made that video, years ago, maybe I would have been better at projects right then. But I'm a lot better now. Anyway, so I went ahead and downloaded a few. So one I saw was I actually used to do web development as like a little side business. And so I had my own like company set up and I still have the domain for it and everything, but I found like a few of the website, like I found one of the templates I used to use. So this was an under construction one. So if I pull that up. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, I just had this like, I remember being really proud of this, and it's like a real simple page. Like if we just looked at the if we actually like just looked at the source of this, like it's a real simple page. I mostly use templates, so I guess I made this template and was really proud of it at one. Oh my god. This was bad. I don't remember it being this bad. Hold on. So this next one is actually a project that myself and a friend made at our first hackathon when we were at school. Like this was our freshman year and we decided we were going to go to the hackathon and we were going to try to make something. So we made this app called Ambience, but it didn't really work then. So what it was supposed to be was it was supposed to be a program that would basically run like a karaoke machine, but for any song. So the idea was you put in the artist name and the song title and it would look it up, it would stream the audio, and it would scroll the lyrics so that way people could participate in like karaoke. Because most karaoke systems, the whole system is it's like somebody had to physically select all the songs, all that good stuff. But I remember it didn't really work, and I can't remember why. Java. Oh, I haven't coded in Java in a minute. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna have to install some sort of like IDE to like run this. Is it making like a? There we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, this is. So I remember this part. It's supposed to be different in this background. This background is supposed to be like a gradient. Oh, what's this? I don't remember this. I mean, this might be incredibly broken, but see, these are the lyrics, right? Like, hold on. Let's go back to the top. Yeah. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. Yeah, this is the lyrics. But I don't know why they're over here. They are supposed to be ASCII, like art. Like, let's actually look through some of this code. Like, I remember we hard coded it to only do Coldplay, because we had issues. So for the demo, we're just gonna do this one song for the demo, because we realized that what we failed to think about and this is like the biggest downfall to any hackathon, you really need to go in with a plan. Like we had this idea, but we didn't think about how difficult it actually is to synchronize lyrics scrolling on a screen to the lyrics in a song. And so so the scroll was never really accurate, and so we basically optimized it for the song Yellow by Coldplay. And I don't know why we picked Yellow by Coldplay out of every song we could have picked. Oh, I guess I closed out of it. Yeah, I don't know why, but like that's crazy though, because like that means That means that the API that we're using still works. Hold on, let me run this again. Just look, like, I haven't used NetBeans in years, and it's gotten a lot better since the last time I used it, but I haven't used it in years, and I haven't coded anything in Java. Forever. Maybe I should do a resurgence of this. Maybe this should be another video. Maybe the next video should be me improving my old shitty code, and this be like the #1 project. All right, so the last thing we're gonna look at today is one application that actually didn't completely suck. I made this bot, and it was actually the first thing in Python that I coded that was like actually good. But I just checked on my Heroku, and it's still hosted on my Heroku account, and I just checked and it's still up. So theoretically, as long as all the APIs like didn't change, this should work. I had made this test channel a while ago, and I cleared the chat because I had been testing like years ago, but I haven't looked at this code in over, I think it's been 3 years now. I haven't looked at this code. So I'm hoping it still works. So I did the commands very similar to like Minecraft. So it's like / in the command. So we do like /help. Maybe it's not working. Oh, it works. Oh wow, and I even named it Booney. Oh man, Booney the bot. Oh man. Weather gets the current forecast in the area. All allows for all chat members to be tagged in the message that precedes the command. Quote will get a random quote. Resi gets a random quote by one of my residents. Oh my god, this is really cool. I'm surprised that this works actually. So yeah, let's try a command. Let's see if any of these. I don't know if this weather one will still work because I'm sure it uses the API. Oh, okay, it still works. I don't know what weather API I used, but this would be the weather in the area. I remember I had trouble with the indentation, like all of this, should have been indented, but I think there wasn't like a way at the time in GroupMe to like indent. Let's try the other command. So the all command does not appear to work. That's unfortunate because the all command was like the whole reason why I made this. Let's do quote. Maybe it actually broke. That is very possible. Let's see. Okay, let's try the last thing that probably will still work, like the search. Will probably work. So like if we do like search, like I don't know, I2C, search ISP. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I do remember this. Yeah, it would. I made it to return, I think, the 10 highest ranked articles on Wikipedia. Okay, let's try to search one more thing. So we'll search like Pitbull. And Pitbull. First results actually the rapper. Second is the dog. Let's look at the dog. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm surprised that this project still works at all. It's been years since I've actually worked on it. So like, I don't know, that's really crazy. So yeah, that's really crazy. I really can't believe that still works. All right, y'all. So thanks for, I guess, watching this video. I know it was random and out of place and didn't make very much sense. But I thought it was kind of cool to just go through some of my old code and just, see like where I've come from. Like I would never write the code like I would, and I really have learned a lot since then. And I think, the work I do on this channel and just personal projects outside the channel, like really reflect that. So I guess the whole point of this is, if you're gonna take anything from this, just be like, hey, like, look, this is where you start. Like you start somewhere that's, lower and probably not as good, and you're gonna end up making some amazing code. I mean, well, two of the projects that we looked at, like all the APIs that they're still working with seem to still work just fine. And I haven't done anything with them for like 2+ years. I think one of the projects was like 4 years old, which is a pretty long time, like if you think about it. So yeah, I mean, that's all I got for this video. So if you all liked it, please hit that like button. If you like the channel content, please subscribe to the channel. Consider checking out some other videos on the channel. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.